Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Equity Edge. It's super simple once you know where to go, so let's get started. First, you want to open Equity Edge and log into your account. Once you're in, you want to look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a 3-bar icon, so go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, you want to select Withdrawals. This is where you'll enter all your withdrawal details. Now, start by choosing your account login ID. Just click the drop down and select the account you want to withdraw from. Then pick your payout method. You'll see several options like wire transfer, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum. Now, you depending on the network you want to use, those are the options that will actually appear here. Next, if you're using a crypto option like USDT, you'll need to enter your wallet address carefully. Just make sure it's the correct one for the network you selected. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once everything looks good, just click submit and your withdrawal process will begin. And that's all there is to it, really. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.